Let's dig a little deeper and break down Peter Senjay's work on becoming a learning organization. The fourth discipline is team learning. If you want to improve team performance, then it's team learning that's far more important than individual learning. And so we have two processes within this environment. It's dialogue and discussion. Dialogue is an exploratory process. It's about exploring options and understanding circumstances, working together to understand the complexities within. From there, it's discussion. Discussion is about narrowing down options and making choices. So what this means is that when a team has learned well together, they are able to work together on complex problems and bring multiple insights and multiple perspectives to come up with the best possible solution. We all know the power in numbers, and that is what team learning is about. If you don't facilitate this, you're going to be missing out.